Hi friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be a 2 looks video and I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be playing with the new The Sun palette from Cosmic Beauty. I am so stoked. They started doing these tarot themed eyeshadow palettes early last year and I'm so stoked that they have kept this theme going. They did the lovers around Valentine's Day last year. They did the death around Halloween last year. And now we have the sun. I am so stoked. I really hope they continue to do all of these and at least hit up the major arcana. I think that would be very cool. That would be a very long time brewing of doing all of them, but I hope we get as many as possible. I'm very excited about it. But anyway, we're gonna dive into it. I'll be doing close-ups, swatches, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be doing 2 looks in this video. I also will have an additional look over on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. It's already filmed. I'm not sure what's going up first, this video or that video. So if it's not already up, it'll be coming soon. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive in, talk about the details of this palette, and then get into the looks. The sun, I'm so excited. This packaging is just beautiful. I love all the metallic details, and then the insides are stunning. It is just like perfect in your face sunset vibes. I feel like it's giving a little bit summerween, honestly. I think it's so vibrant and so cute. I love Cosmic Beauty's formulas. I think their mattes are very, very well done and very easy to work with, and their shimmers are beautiful. I feel like they always do a good job of having an arrangement of very shifty shades, ones that are more like shimmery glossy. They have really good finishes in their palettes. And I am just so stoked. I feel like this one really stands out amongst all their other palettes, and I am just so excited to keep diving in and playing with it. This palette is launching on July 31st, I believe at 1 p.m. EST, and you can use my affiliate code BATTYBEAN to save on their site. As always though, don't let makeup FOMO get to you. Just because I'm sitting here playing with a new palette does not mean you necessarily need it. I always want you to shop your stash first. I love doing these videos purely because I love just creating eyeshadow looks, and first and foremost, I hope my looks can serve as inspiration for you. Maybe shop your stash, see if you can do something similar. But obviously, if this palette does stand out to you and you do think it's something you'd really get enjoyment out of, I will have it linked down below. And again, like I said, you can use my affiliate code BATTYBEAN to shop on their site. Cosmic Beauty is one of my favorite brands ever. I'm very excited about this new release, and I'm excited to dive into the looks. So without further ado, let's just hop into it. Let's get into this first look. I'm going to be priming with the Lethal Cosmetics white eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to slap some of that on and blend it out. I'm very excited for this look. I'm feeling for look number 1, just very bold, bright pink, bright orange, maybe a little splash of yellow. I think that could be fun. I'm going to start first with this Harmony shade. Using the Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm just going to start packing that really on the second half of my lid. I am going to be adding shimmer to the mix as well, but I want a pretty good solid matte foundation before I go in with my shimmer. I'm just gonna start kind of blending the edges with that. Just kind of stretching it out a little bit. Not anything too crazy. I mean, it's bright pink on my eyes. It's already kind of crazy, but not taking it out insanely far. I'm also gonna pop some of that right here on the outer portion of the lower lash line and just make sure that connects in that outer corner. And then I'm gonna kind of wipe that brush off so it's fairly clean, and then use the clean-ish edges of the brush to help blend and diffuse before we move on to the orange. I'm gonna start working on the orange now, so I'm gonna take Beacon. I'm using another E25 brush from Sigma, and that's gonna go on the front portion of my lid. That is so cute. Pink and orange is such a fun combo. I love it. These are like perfect vibrancy together too, I love. I'm gonna take this shade Leo now to start blending it out. Just taking this kind of medium-sized blending brush from Simply Posh. I'm just gonna start swirling that in that front portion of my crease, just to really blow out this orange a bit more. I do wanna deepen up the pink just a little bit, so I'm gonna take this Vitality shade. Using this E42 small blending brush from Sigma, I'm just gonna add some depth right near the lashes on the pink side. Just add a little bit of extra depth. I'm gonna do the same to the outer portion of that lower lash line as well. I'm gonna take the shade Energy now and pop that in my inner corner. I'm gonna use this Singe E01 brush and just kind of pop that there. I feel like a yellow inner corner is so cute. Yeah, that goes with that so beautifully. I love. Moving on to my shimmer now, I'm gonna take Fulfillment. I'm not even gonna use shimmer primer like I usually do, just because I just need a little wash of this right here in the center. Just gonna pop it right there in the middle, in between that pink and that orange. And I'll let it just kind of blend toward both sides. I wanted this to act more so as like a shiny topper rather than like major opaque shimmer. I think that's really, really cute. I like that shimmer on there. I feel like it just gave us such a good glossy effect. Next, I'm gonna take this shade Joy. I wanna press a little of that right underneath the very front part of my lower lash line, kind of in that inner corner, but not directly in the inner corner. I kind of want this to just flow next to that yellow. And this is just a Singe E11 pencil brush, by the way. That is so cute. Just for fun, maybe I'll put some on the brow bone too. Why not? And then just for some extra fun, I have the yellow Spectra pen from Glisten. So I was thinking, what if I make a little star? Because I feel like it would go with the yellow that I did. Maybe just kind of like up here. I think that would be cute. Yeah, just like a little cutie. It's not exactly the same shade of yellow, but I still think it's fun. Threw in my eye pencil. This is Subzero from ColourPop. Just felt like a yellow made sense, you know? Threw on some of my little lash clusters, and now I need a lip. I'm thinking a warm brown might be really good with this. I'm gonna start with the Caffeine pencil from Melt. I'm just gonna line and lightly fill in. Just using my finger to help blend that pencil toward the center. And then I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty Embrace lip oil stick. I've been loving these. I've been wearing them pretty much nonstop the last week. I just think they're gorgeous. I think they wear well. I love the shine and they're just so comfy. And yeah, I do like the warm brown lip with this. I feel like this is one of those looks like you could have done a nude, a brown, you could lean into the bright orange, the bright pink, even a black would be cool. I feel like you could kind of go with the flow with that one. And here is that first look complete. I think it came out so cute. I really like it. Love the pink and orange. I feel like it's very much giving Summerween. I think this all played together so well. I really enjoy it. Let's move on to look number 2. All right, I'm already primed and ready to go, so let's dive into the second look. I definitely want to play with these like blue-purple vibes today. I'm actually going to start with the purple Self-Discovery. Going in with this E27 brush from Sigma, I'm just going to start packing that in the outer corner of the eye and really building it up. I want a lot of just rich depth out here. And I kind of want it to fade just lighter and brighter toward the inner corner. I think that'll be cool. Ooh, that's a good purple. That is such a pretty shade. I'm so excited. Tucking some of that on that lower lash line as well and just kind of bringing it up to that outer corner, bringing it up a little bit. I'm going to start blending that out a little bit by kind of dipping into Opportunity and Self-Discovery, getting a little mixture. I'm just using this smallish 204 brush from Alter Ego. I'm just gonna start fluffing that around the edges of that purple just to get it a little bit more diffused before we deepen it up a good bit with the blue. Gonna grab some of that blue Optimism now. Using this big pencil brush from Alter Ego, this is a 208. I'm just gonna really stamp that on the outer portion of the lid, not really bringing it into the crease because that's where I want those purples to be standing out the most. Just really adding that purple to this outer portion. I feel like this is such a contrasting look compared to look number 1 and I love it. Really packing that in that lower lash line as well. Taking it honestly about halfway in and then just making sure I connect that in the outer corner. I'm just gonna go back in with my previous brushes now. So I'm taking the one with the purple and just a little bit more purple just to blow out that blue even more and add to that gradient. Just kind of finishing off that blend again with that fluffy brush with that lighter mixture. This is looking so pretty. Just these shades of blue and purple are looking really good. I am going to be using Content in my inner corner, so I'm just going to go ahead and plop a little of that there. Just using this teeny brush from Clionadh. Just kind of wanted a bright baby blue inner corner. I thought that would be fun for this. Add some good contrast. Moving on to my shimmer now, I'm going to take my Shimmer Stay from Dede Signature. Just going to add a little of that to my lids and blend it out. This is just going to help my shimmer pop to its fullest potential and stay put. Just using my finger and just lightly dragging that around, mostly focused on this more blank area of my lid rather than where all these mattes are. So on the majority of the lid, I'm just going to be having confidence basically everywhere. Oh, that is beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to slap that here on the front portion of the lid. And I just want this to kind of take over this empty space. I'll let it kind of blend into this baby blue as I get to the front, and then I want it to just merge and blend in with all of the mattes out here in the outer corner. That is so pretty. I love it. Of course, I'm just making sure that flows nicely from matte to shimmer. I'll even take that other brush with the light combination. I don't even have any additional product on it. And just kind of fluffing the edge of that shimmer there as well. And last, I want to take this Embrace shade and pop that on the lower lash line. Using the Singe E11 pencil brush, I'm just going to press that basically right in between where that baby blue is and where that darker blue is. Just kind of add a little bit of shimmer, little extra glisten to this. I think that looks quite nice, I must say. Threw on a couple little face gems. I also threw on my little lash clusters. And the eye pencil I picked for this is Night of Creation from Kaleidos. I figured that blue purple was just the perfect choice. And then for lips, honestly, I'm feeling very rockstar energy with this look right now, so I feel like a black lip is the move. So I'm gonna start with my almost finished Villain pencil from Unearthly. I am just gonna line and lightly fill in. Just kind of using my finger to blend that, but I mean, I covered pretty much my whole lips with this shade. And over that, I'm gonna take this Problem Child gloss from Half Magic Beauty. It's like a sparkly black and it's gorgeous. Oh, yes. I feel like the black lip with this look just made sense. I feel like either this or a very pale nude would have been a really good choice. I'm loving the glossy black though. I think that's looking really good. And here is the second look complete. I think it came out so cool. I just love the way these tones are playing together. You guys know me, I'm a sucker for a blue-purple combo. I love how vastly different this was from look number 1 as well. Like these were such contrasting looks and it was such a fun time. Let's zoom out though, chat some more. I'll give you my thoughts so far on this palette. Thank you so much for watching. This was such a blast. I've really enjoyed creating these looks over the last 2 days. It's just been so much fun. I also am just so glad I went like very vastly different directions with the looks, like kind of focusing on the bluey purple stuff for this look and then the bright orangey pink for look number 1. I'd love to know which look is your favorite though. It's like I was so certain that look number 1 was gonna be my favorite, but I'm also really vibing with this one. I don't know if I can pick a favorite this time. You'll have to let me know what yours is. Let's chat about this palette though, shall we? This is just such a cutie. I have had such a blast playing with this one. I feel like it's consumed my life the last like half a week between like filming swatches and doing my short form look and then this video. And it's just been so much fun. I've really been looking forward to playing with it every single day, and I'm very pleased with it. Like I said at the beginning, Cosmic Beauty is one of my favorite brands. I just feel like they come out with really quality things, and I love the different themes that they do. Love that we're continuing the tarot theme, and I feel like for a very vibrant, warm tone palette, this is just such a beautiful take on it. The formulas were wonderful. Everything blended out beautifully. I love the way the shimmers look. I am very pleased with this one. I would love to hear your thoughts though. Which look was your favorite? What are you thinking of this palette? Are you planning on picking it up, or are you gonna just shop your stash? I would love to know. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some sun emojis because it is the sun palette after all. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. You can also check my description box for links to my second channel if you want additional content, and also my channel memberships. There's a couple different tiers with a couple different perks, and I'd love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.